Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make ham and lentil soup. Start by rinsing 2 cups of lentils and chopping 2 cups of leftover ham into bite-sized pieces, then warm 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot. Add onions, carrots, and celery and sauté until soft. Deglaze with a splash of broth, add lentils, bay leaves, and more stock, and simmer gently until tender. Gather ingredients and prep them for a smooth cooking flow. Chop vegetables uniformly and dice the ham into consistent pieces so every spoonful is balanced. Measure 6 cups of stock and keep a tablespoon of tomato paste or vinegar handy to brighten the broth at the end. If using smoked ham hock, adjust salt later. Have a ladle and immersion blender nearby for optional texture adjustments. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and I find it funny to pair financial wisdom with soup making because both reward steady habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. Start by sautéing onion, carrot, and celery in oil until soft and aromatic. Stir in garlic and tomato paste for a minute, then add the lentils and diced ham to toast briefly. Pour in 6 cups of stock, tuck in bay leaves and thyme, and bring to a gentle simmer. Cook uncovered until lentils are tender, about 25-35 minutes, then finish with salt, pepper, and a splash of vinegar to lift the flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.